want to stay away from, color fast detergent. Detergent, you can wash it in your washing machine, cold, gentle cycle. Try to stay away, like I said, stay away from, color fast type products, although it can be a little bit difficult to do. And hang dry it. The number one thing is don't dry the things. You can cook them; they will shrink, just like like cotton and other products of that fibrous nature like that. It does have a tendency to shrink. So you don't want to do that, and you just don't want to cook the suit. Although with Nomex, which all but our paddock suits are what they call Proban or cotton, treated uh, fabric. That's a very entry level suit there that we don't really recommend for driving because of the comfort aspect of it. It's a great crew suit, but all our other suits are true Nomex. So it's not like you can wash out the protective properties of Nomex. That's the good thing about it. But you do, they are susceptible to shrinkage. So you got to be careful with that. So we don't recommend it, particularly if you have a custom suit with certain types of graphics. We do heat transfers and things like that that would really be affected by the drying cycle. But really just gentle wash, and you can do that. A wool wipe works really good. That's still a good standard. If you want to hand wash them in the sink, and we'll wipe and hang dry them. That's a really good way to go. We wash suits all the time when they come in for alterations and things like that, and that's how we do it. We just wash them in a washing machine, cold cycle, and laundry detergent, and then hang them to dry.